Hi, everybody. Welcome to another episode of The Aspiring Entrepreneur. I'm your host, Hamza Chowdhury. And in this video, I'm actually really excited to announce our newest series, Starting a Small Business. And I'm actually going to have a 100 Small Business Challenge for you guys. And, in this time during COVID, there's a lot of unknowns, a lot of people hurting out there. And I figured, what kind of value, what could I offer, what could I do to help? Maybe some of you guys watching today, maybe you lost a job. Maybe you're looking for something new to do and you're bored with your current job, just over broke. And I thought, what thing could I do for the channel to help others in this time of unknowns, in this time of uncertainty due to COVID? Maybe do something new with your life. Maybe do something that you've been wanting to do, but you just don't know how. You need someone to motivate you. You need someone, just that little boost. And I figured, what better way than to launch this sort of challenge and to do an episode on what things you need to do from the start to actually get to where you need to be. We're actually a full functioning business. So again, if you're someone who's hurting, if you're someone who's gone through a lot, lost a job, maybe you've even had a recent death in the family due to everything just going on, and you're struggling, and you're just at that point of your life where you want something different, you want something new, and you've had so many obstacles thrown your way, you don't know what to do, and even creating a business sounds daunting and overwhelming. Just trust me for this moment, trust me for this time, for us to go through this together and to, like I said, start a business from the initial design of an idea to creating it to an actual reality. And like I said, there's millions of people hurting right now, and with the economic conditions and not knowing where the uncertainty, right? We all need, as human beings, to be certain. Just the uncertainty of what's tomorrow like, what's next year going to look like for me and my family. Just having that uncertainty can be overwhelming. So what I like to do is announce the new series, and I like to go over it episode by episode. So episode 1, what type of business are you interested in doing? Product, subscription, or service-based? So what we'll talk about in this is we'll be reviewing and discussing the pros and cons of each of these business models. Episode 2. Discover what are your passions and do they line up with what you're good at. Being passionate at something does not translate to something you may be good at. I love basketball, but I do not have the size skills to be a professional basketball player. Being passionate is what will drive your whys is on staying in and growing your business. Episode 3, how to write a formal business plan. A business plan will be helpful not only to convince a bank or an investor to lend you funds, but it's actually more for you to get through the nitty-gritty details about your business. How are you planning on creating value and solving a common problem? Episode 4 will be actually a live session review on a submitted business plan. Episode 5, setting up either an LLC, corporation, partnership, or sole proprietorship. I'll try to bring a guest speaker to discuss the advantages and disadvantages of each. Sole proprietorships are you working for yourself and exposing all your personal assets to creditors. Are you wanting to start a business and become a business owner? Or do you simply just want to work for yourself? For episode 6, how to get an employer identification number, otherwise known as an EIN. This is a number issued by the IRS. Think of this as a social security number for your business. It will be used on all business documents to identify your business. Episode 7, executing the business plan. Now that you have a business plan, how do you plan on executing it? Where do you actually begin? Episode 8, creating a website and social media presence for your business. The importance of social media and a website is essential in today's business climate. Whether you are a social media guru or not, all businesses must adopt the trend and not fight it. We find majority of our information online now more than ever. Even if someone recommends you to a business or a restaurant, there's still a likely chance you are going to search that business online and read the reviews. For episode 9, how to build your business off existing business. We'll be talking about tapping into your existing customers and getting referrals. Episode 10, setting up a payroll service. Getting paid is an important aspect, if not one of our favorite aspects of a business. However, is payroll something we should be doing by ourselves? Nobody would want to have the IRS knocking on their doors. Tapping into a payroll service may be a good idea, even if you do not have any actual employees. Episode 11, hiring your first employee. Where to start looking for talent and writing result-oriented interview questions. Hiring your first employee is a very anxious process, and finding the right employee can be extremely overwhelming. Having to trust someone with your baby and hoping that they'll care and nurture for it the same way you do is not an easy task. It is something most, if not all, employees struggle with. Episode 12, doing it yourself or hiring the professionals. When you first start your business, do not overwhelm yourself thinking that you need an accountant, attorney, and all the above to start doing a business. Some basic books can help you understand the best accounting and law practices, so you do not end up off the back in a sticky situation. In short, always keep a paper trail, stick to the facts, which can be backed up by that in writing, and never overpromise and underdeliver. People do not suit people they like. Episode 13, giving back to the communities you serve. Creating a small business goes beyond just making profit. It is serving your community, local libraries, schools, sports teams, and also doing some volunteer work. Having a staple in the community will help your business with developing strong roots. So guys, in short, thank you for watching this video. I hope you'll take this challenge and join me in creating a small business. Over 2/3 of people employed in the United States are actually a part of a small business. It's the fundamental reason why I wanted to do this series, is because the effect that you can have on communities and help people grow, and people will really count on you and depend on you, whether they're doing fundraising activities, whether they need a job, or they know someone that can help you out. It's honestly a fun ride. So join me guys in taking that challenge, and thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on episode 1. Take care. Bye-bye.